If you have swollen feet, this powerful tea is the best homemade remedy for this problem. Before we start with this video, you should know that both men and women can be affected by this aesthetic and health problem. The medical experts claim that swollen legs can be caused by many reasons, such as side effects of some drugs and medications, PMS, pregnancy, poor circulation, eating processed foods, consumption of foods high in salt, etc. You should know that sometimes it's completely normal if your legs are swollen. For example, during pregnancy, if you stand or sit for a long time, etc. But if you experience chronic ankle or leg swelling, this might be a warning sign that you should visit a doctor immediately. So if your ankle or leg swelling is not reduced after a while, then you should consult your doctor immediately. The medical experts say that edema on its own is not harmful, but it is uncomfortable. If you are seeing one foot or leg swelling a lot more than the other, or your face is swelling, you do want to call your doctor, because the cause could be a blood clot and you don't want to wait to address that problem. That uncomfortable swelling is not actually a disorder, just a symptom, and the best way to treat it is to treat the root cause. If you're swelling because of pregnancy, it should go down not long after you deliver. Talk to your doctor to see what could be causing your swelling. A recent study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology has discovered that this herb acts as a diuretic by inhibiting the sodium and potassium ion pumps, influencing the process of osmosis and increasing the flow of urine. You should also know that this herb is loaded with potassium. Some other chemically produced diuretics can reduce the levels of potassium in the human body. But you won't have this type of problem if you use parsley. The best homemade remedy against edema. Recipe. The famous Dr. John R. Christopher says that you should definitely try this homemade parsley tea. It will help you treat and prevent this both aesthetic and health problem. This tea is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to chop the parsley roots and leaves. Then you should put 1/4 cup of chopped parsley into an infusion basket. Now you need to pour the parsley with a cup of boiled water or submerge into a teapot. Leave it for 5 minutes, remove the basket and strain the mixture. Note, you can add some ginger, lemon or honey, to enrich its taste. If you want to get the best results from this homemade parsley tea, then you should consume it while it's still warm. You can try different methods to reduce your swelling as well, such as, you can do some leg exercises every day to stimulate the fluids from the legs to go to your heart. Or while lying down, you can raise your legs on pillows on a height above the heart. This parsley tea is amazing and it can provide many health benefits. Do you drink parsley tea? Share your recipe in the comments section below. And yes, don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.
Spring onion is really amazing at treating sore throat, runny nose, and swollen legs. Also known as scallions or green onions, spring onions are in fact very young onions, harvested before the bulb has had a chance to swell. Both the long, slender green tops and the small white bulb are edible, and are good either raw or cooked. They have a similar flavor to onions, but are much milder. The goodness is that they are available all year round, and easy to grow in a vegetable patch from seed. Spring onions have anti-inflammatory properties. They are extremely useful against the cold, and the flu, and many ailments, such as high blood pressure, against fungi, stress, and fatigue. This means that you can use these super healthy foods to treat cold or throat, to alleviate the symptoms of the cold and the flu, reduce swollen legs, etc. Here's what you need to do. Sore throat, here's what you need to do. Just chop the spring onion in small pieces, and you can add grated ginger and some salt in it. Put the sliced ingredients together in a cloth bag or cloth, and warm up. Wrap the warm compress in another cloth or towel, and put it on the sore area, throat, chest, palms, or back. You will be amazed by the results. So, when you have problems with sore throat, you should try this simple trick. swollen legs. Here's what you need to do. Just cook the spring onions for a few minutes. Then, you need to blend them in a blender until you get a paste mixture. Apply the paste on the swollen legs. This recipe has been used for hundreds of years, and it is very effective and useful. Runny nose. Here's what you need to do. You need to mash the spring onion and soak a cotton ball or pad in its juice. Then, you need to apply the sweat compress on the nose and the sinus area. We really hope you find this article helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.